So in this video, we're going to be looking at how we can be given an area and work backwards in order to work out an unknown dimension. In a previous video, we looked at how we could calculate the area of different 2D shapes. The area of a triangle can be worked out using area is equal to a half of the base times by the perpendicular height. Substituting in what I've been given in the question, I know that the area is 54 and it's a half of the base, which is x, multiplied by the height, which is 9. Now beginning to rearrange. The opposite of times by 9 is to divide by 9. So 54 divided by 9 will now equal a half of x. 54 divided by 9 is 6, and this is a half of x. The opposite of times by a half is to times by 2. So multiplying both sides by 2, x will equal 12. And because it's a dimension, centimeters. So the key aspects of the working were to identify the formula that you're to use, to substitute in what you've been given in the question, to simplify and rearrange, to then work out your final answer. Pause the video here and have a go at the question on the right hand side. When you're ready for the answer, press play. So because this shape is also a triangle, the area is equal to a half of the base times by the perpendicular height. Substituting in the information that I know, the area is 48 and it's equal to a half of the base times by the height. Simplifying where I can see that a half of 12 is 6, and 6 times by x is now equal to 48. That means that 48 divided by 6 will now equal x, so x is equal to 8 centimeters.